Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to withdraw your Ethereum from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto prices soaring and security more crucial than ever, knowing how to move your assets safely is a game changer. Whether you're building your portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're prepared. You'll need a verified Crypto.com account with some Ethereum in it, and your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet fully set up and updated to the latest firmware. Double-check that your Ledger is connected to your computer or via the Ledger Live app. It's your best defense against hacks. Step 1. Open your Ledger Nano X and launch the Ethereum app on the device. This will generate a unique receiving address for your withdrawal. Never share this address publicly, it's like your digital safe key. Copy the address carefully from Ledger Live. Next, hop over to your Crypto.com app or website. Navigate to the Wallets section, select Ethereum, and choose the Withdraw option. Paste the address you just copied from your Ledger, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network fees. Ethereum transactions can get pricey with gas fees, especially in 2025's evolving blockchain landscape. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're good, hit confirm, and you'll get a prompt to approve the transaction on your Ledger device. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign it off. Now, sit tight. Ethereum withdrawals typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger balance to ensure your Ethereum has arrived safely. Pro tip: always use the Ethereum network for these transfers to avoid any compatibility issues. And there you have it. That's how you securely withdraw Ethereum from Crypto.com to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. Remember, crypto security is key, so never rush these steps. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.